here I'm making a video of my Frigidaire window air conditioner. This one is a 6000 BTU model. We'll see exactly. Yep, 6000 BTUs, and it's rated at 6 amps, 620 watts. There's how much refrigerant it has. 10.2 ounces it says. And Frigidaire window air conditioners, as you can see here, are made by Electrolux. And this one is made in China. And I already ran it just a few minutes ago. So it's in energy saver mode with the fan on high. Now, and I have it connected up to a kilowatt, which measures the volts, amps, and watts, and the kilowatt usage, and the hertz. So right now, there's 122 volts. It's drawing 0.01 amps. It says 0 watts. I don't know why. It's just drawing very little power. And 59.9 hertz. Set it to watts. Let's turn it on. Now the fan, right now just the fan is running. It will come on soon. There it goes. Now, right now it sounds really loud, but it's not in a window, so naturally it's going to be louder. Once it gets in a window, it's going to be quieter. Let's see how many watts it's drawing. I remember the sticker said 620 watts, I think. Right now it's drawing it's in the 400 range. It's going to slowly climb up over a period of 5 minutes. And it's drawing 3.6 amps. It's going to work its way up to about 5 amps. And the volts right now is 121 volts. Still 59 hertz. See 3.7, 430. See, it's just going to slowly climb up. And I tested this with the fan on high and the fan on low. And overall, between the fan being on high and low, it draws the same amount of power, same wattage. I'm going to turn it to fan only, and you're going to see what it runs with the fan on high only. A steady 82 watts. Now fan on medium. And it stays right about 60 watts, steady. On low, about 50 watts. And it consistently draws this all the time with the fan. So the air conditioner will draw around 5 amps with the fan on low, and then you turn up the high and it will shoot up. Then the compressor will be worked less hard since you got the fan on high, and then the amp draw will go back down. So it makes up for the fan's extra wattage by working the compressor less hard and less power draw from the compressor. So if you were ever wondering whether an air conditioner draws more or less power with the fan on low, it draws the same. At least on this air conditioner. I still have yet to test it on other air conditioners. I haven't put this air conditioner in a window yet. I haven't put it together or anything, but I will eventually. So that's my Frigidaire window air conditioner.